Welcome back everyone to Indian Geek Society. This is Harneet and today we will be talking about Marvel's What If. This video will be all about what the show is and what they are changing from the comics. And before we get into it, do remember to hit the like and subscribe button. So I'll talk about first what Marvel's What If is. It's MCU's first animated show that will be airing on Disney Plus Hotstar from August 11th. In the comics, What If is a one-off series which deals with characters. How could the things progress if the situation would have been a little different, and what would the whole reality look like? So what MCU is doing is, instead of a one-off show, it's actually doing a more serialized version of those stories for the TV show. But what we have learned so far is all the episodes are connected. One character that will be introduced in one episode will carry on into the next episode and they'll continue the story like that. Coming to the stories that we are going to see on the Marvel's What If Season 1. Talking about the first episode, this is based in a reality where Peggy Carter gets the super soldier serum and becomes a version of Captain Carter or Captain Britain. Steve Rogers in this reality has an accident, is now piloting the Howard Stark Iron Man suit called the Hydra Stomper. Then we have another episode which is more focused on Iron Man's origin, how it will change if he was saved by Killmonger. It will discuss the kind of relationship that Killmonger and Iron Man will have and how it will affect the whole MCU. As we all know, Iron Man started the MCU, and if he would have stayed the same and not become a better person, how will it change the MCU? That we are going to see in that. Coming to Thor, this version of Thor, Marvel is calling him Party Thor. So imagine the first Thor movie where Thor goes to the desert shield base to pick up Mjolnir after he has been sent on Earth for a while. So now this Thor hasn't learned anything from his experience on Earth, but is still able to pick up Mjolnir. So this version of Thor will be pretty arrogant and kind of a party animal. So that's why the name. We also see Loki attacking Earth with the Asgardian army and the Cascade of Ancient Winters. One interesting thing that we see is a version of Ultron with all 6 Infinity Stones and Vision's body encased in a vibranium armor. So that is what they're calling the Darkest Timeline Ultron, and which will come into effect maybe in the later part of the show. Maybe he's the main villain, or he's somehow connected to the Marvel Zombies episode that I am coming to next. Another interesting thing that we see is Spider-Man with Doctor Strange's cloak or levitation. This version of Spider-Man is being called Zombie Hunter Spidey. Maybe he will be introduced in the Marvel's Zombies episode. We also see an evil Doctor Strange version which is being called Doctor Strange Supreme. So this is also a take on Doctor Strange's origin story if he quote unquote takes a darker path and becomes Doctor Strange Supreme. So the current theory is that due to this Doctor Strange Supreme, the evil version of Doctor Strange, things spiral out of control and Marvel zombies happen, and all the Avengers have to deal with this. Here also, instead of Avengers, we have a new team called the Guardians of the Multiverse. So basically, Peggy Carter is going to recruit different versions of the superheroes that we have seen, and they will fight maybe the Ultron final boss form or maybe the Marvel zombies in the last episode. Talking about the Marvel's zombie episode, we see a zombie version of Captain America, a zombie version of Iron Man in his Infinity War suit. In the later part of the clips, we also see Killmonger teaming up with a relatively younger version of Shuri. So we have to remember that this is the version of the Earth where T'Challa was kidnapped by Yondu and becomes the Star-Lord, and Killmonger is basically here helping Shuri and Wakanda defend itself maybe against the Ultron bots. So that will lead to Killmonger becoming King Killmonger, and he will be ruling Wakanda and become the next Black Panther. Also, do let me know if you spotted any other big Easter eggs in all the What If footage that we have already seen. Write down in the comments below. Again, like, share and subscribe for more such content. Do hit the bell icon and click here for our recent videos. Thank you.